the whole self-help industry is all about, telling you what's wrong with you. How can we make you better? So, the whole foundation of our course is you're whole and complete. So the question that you can ask somebody is, what if there's nothing wrong with you? What if there has been all this conspiracy to tell you this is wrong, that is wrong? What if there's nothing wrong with you? How would you like to deal with this situation then? How would you like to take this decision? How would you like to set a goal? What if there's nothing wrong with you? That's a very transforming question, because suddenly this takes people by surprise, because even our parents never told us that there's nothing wrong with you. They've always been telling us, what's wrong with you? This is wrong, that is wrong. What if there is nothing wrong? The moment you see somebody ask this question to somebody, they can suddenly feel that, you're not somebody who's here to change me. You're not here to pinpoint those mistakes in me. This is a question that you can keep in mind.